Boom, viewers, subscribers, back again with these quick updates because trust. If it's not foreign from King Mix Up, it's not credible. And you don't know the thing said, people. I got mad updates for y'all today, and I got a couple of them on PTR. Feel me? You see, Dancing Rebel was the first one out of the group to reveal her new designer body. You feel what I'm saying? And now I'm going to show you Pretty and TC. Yes, people. Pretty and TC finally did their surgery. And I'm going to let you see what they're looking like. You know, it's definitely a hot gal summer. Or you can say it's definitely a big body gal summer. Now, our favorite Jamaican ambassador, Dalton Harris, is back at it again with another viral video. You don't know the thing go, people. You feel me? But it's not what you think it's about. It's actually about go down there. I know it's not the go down there you're thinking about. I'm talking about the go down there track with Triple S, Spice, Shaggy, and Sean Paul. You feel what I'm saying? So he did a little video dancing to it, and the ladies is going wild over it. So ladies, don't worry. I'm going to show you what he's working with, and you can put in the comment section if you want a piece of that action there. You see it. And this is for the people them who wants to make money. Yeah. People, Buju Banton said something very important that we all been saying about this ganja trade in Jamaica, you know. And Lisa Hanna is definitely one of these politicians pushing for the freeing up of ganja. And you know, she's using grassroots people as a ploy to get votes. You feel what I'm saying, people? Like I said before, dancehall and ganja are poor people thing. And you know, poor people are the majority in Jamaica. And without the poor people votes, these people won't be in power. But it seems like poor people forget that the power rests with them, you know. And now these people are using the only means of bettering poor people life in Jamaica, the ganja and dancehall. They're using it hostage so they can go get juke up with that juice there. You see me answer? So let's proceed with the updates now. So, you know the thing go. You're wondering what kind of body surgery Pretty from PTR did. Well, people, she did liposuction, it looks like. You see me answer? Yeah, and they look like they're doing their body surgery in Jamaica. So, big up Pretty and Rebel and TC for keeping the money in the island. You see me answer? Enough women are run after DR to do them body for, you know. I don't know why, but big up designer body as well. A lot of nice bodies came out of there. But people putting out the comment section, how do you think it's looking? Yes, these are the pictures before she got her butt done. And I think it looks good. I think her butt has a little bit more life to it. I guess Pretty Body was kind of tough. But it was always big to me. So I don't know why, you know what I mean? But I'm not a lady. So yeah, I put in the comment section if you like the new look. Now, people, unfortunately, I can't show you none of the pictures of TC's body. Yeah. Them too naked. You see me answer? I can't find no clothes and other app for fling out on them, you know. But this is what I'm going to do to you. I'm going to put a link in my description and in my comment section where you can see the pictures of TC. It's on my Twitter. You feel what I'm saying? But this is the type of surgery she got done. She got liposuction and hip reduction. Hold on, let me just be exact. To be exact. Okay, people, my bad. The people them say she got lipo 360, whatever that means. People putting out a comment section what lipo 360 means, or is that just a term these medical people use at their particular practice. And she also got hip dip correction. Yes, people, once again, putting out a comment section what is hip dip correction. You know, these are some new words that I haven't heard in other plastic surgery world before. But then again, I'm not in that world. But honestly, TC did always look good to me, you know. All of them did look good naturally to me. You feel what I'm saying? But whatever makes their self-esteem good, I support them, Yes. Whatever makes them happy. You feel what I'm saying? A lot of people are saying, these are young girls and they don't got no babies yet and they out doing their bodies, this, that, and the third. So put in the comment section if you ever did body surgery, lipo, body, breast, etc., etc., tummy tuck, Brazilian lift, and you went on to have children. Put in the comment section what was it like? Your journey recovering? Did you snap back? Did you have to go back to get surgery and tighten up? You feel what I'm saying? Put it in the comment section because you got a lot of women out here and a lot of women would like to know. You feel me? So let's proceed. And like I said, people, Dalton Harris is back at it again in the headlines, and it's a somewhat good thing. It's a good thing because he is in the same headline with the queen of the dancehall. Big up yourself, Spice. Right now she got the hottest track out right now, featuring Shaggy and Sean Paul Godong there. Over 1 million views in less than 2 days. You feel what I'm saying? It's a good look, and it's growing. It's probably gonna be 20, 30 million views by June, you know what I mean? But nevertheless, she's doing some good on the challenge, and you would think the ladies will be flooding her DM with them winding up themselves videos, but it's only Dalton Harris and a few other fishes Messiah posts, and that's why I said it's a good thing and bad thing he's trending, because the bad thing, why Spice have to fling him up with be a Batman in the same post, I'm not calling Dalton Harris a Batman, I'm just saying Spice post 3 fish in our post and say, ladies, don't wait for the men them for send the video and all of these things. But ladies, what do you think about Miss Harris? Do you want Jamaica's #1 ambassador to the world to go down there pan you? Put it in the comment section. Yeah, let's proceed. Now, Buju made a post earlier today promoting, his apparel, clothing line. You feel me? And you don't know Buju Rastaman, so you don't know, say, I'm going to have ganja and them thing there upon him. Clothes and thing, but people, you got to read between the lines sometimes. You feel me? And he had this to say in the caption. Them might issue out the license to the wrong section. Meaning, they might issue out the ganja license to them rich friends, not the Babylon, not the grassroots people that died and went to jail for this, plant. And when it hits, it feels no pain. Big up yourself, Bob Marley. People, politician boy and girl don't care about poor people. We see how it played out this last election with dancehall, with the dub plate them. All of the most prolific blood clot dancehall artists was dropping dubs, dissing the one another politician for them one politician boy. And you fast forward a couple months later, dancehall are the worst thing in that blood clot Jamaica. Dancehall make people dead left, right, and center. Dancehall make girl get raped and all of these things, And now you see Lisa Hanna pushing this ganja thing. Poor people need ganja, ganja this, ganja that. People, see the blood clot apply, man. We done telling us that poor people think of ganja and dancehall, Anything that make poor people thrive, government are gonna clamp it down. You feel what I'm saying? And they're gonna use the things that y'all are entitled to into chicken out on the rights. And that's what's going on right now. You see so good dressmaker boy and so good tough done. I try fool the dancehall followers them to take this juice injection. You see me, I say? People opening the eyes, man. Opening the eyes. Opening the eyes. The power resting at the people. In America, ganja is illegal on a federal level, but On the feds that make the state go on um, deal with that problem there, you know. That's why you have dispensaries and things and things. The Fed is doing the same thing with this juice business and people for entering into anything, you know what. And then when the state deal with them, I deal with them, I guess the Fed them they're gonna, you know, regulate it. The power resting at the people. But now take no blood clot plane if them want us to take that. But I gotta start some new company run here so that no require that. You feel what I'm saying? You gotta hurt these people in the pocket. You have to hurt these people in the pocket. And people, Jamaica needs Obia. Jamaica needs voodoo. Obia is what freed the slaves in Haiti. Obia and voodoo made the slaves them want to go to America, Louisiana to be exact, to free the slaves them. So couldn't ever say Obia and voodoo is a bad thing. I'll tell you why. White man afraid of Obia and voodoo because them no want a black man spirit ever to blood clot awaken. You see me? I say that's why them kill black man spirits. Make black woman see black man get raped by white man and all them shit. That broke with spirit. And that's why they make Obia and voodoo look so bad in Hollywood. You think these white men want these niggas ever spirit to get strong again? You're mad. Same thing that happened in Haiti, the same thing can happen right now because we're more than them. We're more than them. Like we was more than them in Haiti and them have to run left out. So don't ever let these pussy hole in Jamaica, them boasted dirty blood clot slave, ever think so them blood clot powerful. Run them out of the blood clot island. But anyway, people, I was just giving you the update on Dalton Pretty and things and Spice and all of these things not nice with Suckud, Andrew and them constituency. You see me I say? So don't forget to hit the like button, people. Well, I try to get 1,000 likes. I'm pretty up the place. So new viewers and I make sure to smash it. And all viewers, returning viewers, and I do the same. You see me I say? Yeah, make the video them go up more and shows your appreciation. And don't forget to hit the notification as well. Press all for the latest and dancehall news, music reviews, and gossips. Bless.